Hello everybody, welcome to Viper's Garage. Today's video is going to be way different than what I do. Today, me and some friends are going to be tearing down a shed. We don't do this often. This is not our job to tear down sheds. What happened was, in the video, I think I explained it, but a tree fell on it, and we're having to tear it down because the tree did so much damage. It's not worth trying to save it. So a bit of a warning: if you have kids or anybody that's sensitive with cussing, there is a lot in this video, so please be aware of that. We don't know what we're doing. We're just doing it as we go. So I hope you all enjoy the video. If you do, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe. I'm gonna try to do more videos than I have been. I have been kind of lazy with them, not quite putting out videos, but I'm gonna try to change that. But I hope you like this video and enjoy. Yeah, we're fixing to tear a shed down.
Motherfucker pisses you off. That's how you get this motherfucking name. Alright, you the ball. Go with it.
Yeah, it did exactly what I said it was gonna do.
Come on. Go ahead and put that piece on out. Alright.
Hey, we made a garage!
That's the way I'm going.
How do you like your new garage, Bo?
That's why. That whole shit would have fell down.
Uh-oh.
Got that fucking gun getting out. You know what I can do? Put the turn around that damn gun cannon.
Well, the reason why I said to do it up top was because it would have pulled that, it would have came down. That's the reason why I said hook to the top.
Alright, when I fucking fix this, somebody get the chain out right here.
I believe if we hook to the top now, it'd probably pull it down.
Oh yeah, I believe it would too, y'all.
Alright, He-Man.
You damn right I'm fucking He-Man around this bitch.
Hopefully it'll work. Now we took the support out of it, so I don't know if that's going to work now. But who knew we could make our garage out of just pulling one side of the wall down?
But it's big garage. Man, why put your boats up under here?
Hey, Bo, you wanted a shot. I think we'd be fine, maybe not, but hey. We're gonna go for part 2, I guess.
Let her rip.
Part 2. Come on, just do this for me, baby. Ah, fuck. I got an idea. If Bo's Jeep can handle it, I got an idea.
Back wall.
A new idea.
I'm going straight to that fucking back wall.
Or go through that damn window.
You damn right. Hey, we might have to get that some shot. Because when we walk in this fucking room, we're going to call this fucking wall there.
Hey, whatever works. Hopefully we have enough chain. Hey, be careful.
I can't.
I don't want to get hurt doing this shit.
Oh, this Jeep. Back it up. We're going to back it all the way up to the edge of that log right there. We're still going to have to slap, but I want to make sure.
Well, this is how you pull a building down.
All right. A little bit more. All right.
Yeah, we're gonna need some more chain.
Let's slack off again.
Oh yeah. Hold
on, Eric.
All right, pull some slack.
Want this before it crushes?
There ain't no good. I ain't got the shit to go to. Oh, just good. Yeah.
Hopefully this works.
God damn it, give her hell.
Stand back. Yeah, how many times did we say stand back?
Stand back, Ricky. For real, stand back this time.
That's the way we got it. We ran into a window back there.
Oh yeah, somebody's gonna come down.
Come on.
Come on, baby girl.
Come on.
Get the fuck out!
Uh-oh, uh-oh. It looked like it was. The whole building started to move.
I have to put it 4 high, wouldn't you?
Bad as shit.
Okay. Come on. You could probably go. You're probably gonna have to get a jerk on it.
Huh? You're good, bud. You're good. Don't hurt. You're good.
I seen the building move. I seen that building move though.
Hold on. Bring the camera in this shit. We gotta see this shit. Go on the back side. You see that on the back side. Damn it, we ripped the goddamn hole in this bitch.
Good God, man. This building's not gonna give up very easily.
Give me that goddamn red devil up there. Man, that red four-wheeler. I bet y'all pull this motherfucker, man.
I don't know about that.
What happened to damn window facing gave what it gave it?
There should be some beams in there that hold it.
I'm trying to see something here. Give me
Yeah.
that.
He got several beams he's got to go through. Yeah. I can't see through the insulation, but when he moved, when he started pulling again, he moved, this whole thing started to move.
Yeah, let me get up on the thing. I'm walking now.
No braver than I am.
And I know I am. Don't touch that motherfucker. I just hold my hands up there so somebody does come down. I can get my
Hey, stay right there. I'm going to jump in the Jeep and start pulling.
Give her hell, Ricky!
I still say it's a nice garage. Sitting down there working on a fucking car and then the whole damn thing comes down on you.
You don't want the motherfucker coming loose, the motherfucker wins. When you don't want it, you want it to come loose, the motherfucker won't do shit.
This damn thing wanted to come down a while ago and it's like, fuck you, we ain't coming down. Where are we going now?
I do.
Hell, if he kept pulling that way, I swear the building moved when he kept pulling.
Get everybody fucking back. When I mean, get everybody fucking back. 'Cause what I'm finna do, put a bust a hole in this motherfucker.
Hell, he was doing all right. If you would have left the chain there, the wall moved. And this whole building tilted. You have to go back in the footage, maybe. This is hilarious.
Damn, the first damn time we'd have had it open like this, it'd been easy to get shit out.
You know what happened? Got that damn time the whole motherfucker when it came down.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Well,
I'm gonna take.
if this wall is the only one that comes down,
How far are you from this damn concrete?
he's still a pretty good bit away, I
Go
think.
ahead. We'll try it like this.
I do believe if we punch a hole through that wall, it'll come down.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Go ahead.
Run!
Give her hell, Ricky.
Fucking,
Don't jerk. Don't do a hard jerk, but get back and do a little jerk.
that's a good enough jerk there. Come on, baby.
I ain't gonna do it. I'm going there and do that shit.
This is not how this is supposed to happen.
And that whole fucking wall should fucking come down. I don't know what the fuck's going on with it.
The whole damn time we were in there, the thing was wanting to fall apart. Now it's saying, hey, you know what? I changed my mind.
I don't want to come down. Get the damn chainsaw. Make it come down easy. Rip through
Well,
that window.
To be honest, and right now we got the support out of the way.
Hey, we got a big ass garage now.
Yeah. We try to get a hole on this wall. Try to pull this one out. It may collapse. I don't know.
Try. All I need is my old trusty dusty baby girl right here. And we're gonna get the fucking tam on this side of the fucking wall.
Folks, this is how you make a hole. Okay. That's a hole.
Hole one done.
Do y'all consider that a hole? It looks like one. Oh shit, yeah, the Jeep moved over.
Oh. That chain done got in here and got you killed. I'm really brave now.
Yeah. Do not try this at home, children.
Yeah, children.
No offense. Don't call us to do home demolition. We're not very good at it.
Let me go get the big iron mosquito. I'll take you that motherfucker.
Oh, hell
Give me
yeah.
a fucking... All right, I'm tired of you. Daddy, bring the damn 18-wheeler down here.
Oh,
With the big ass winch on the back of
if
it.
you're wondering what happened to this shed right here, if you take a look right up there, that's what happened. A big two limbs up there broke off. One came down, hit right there on the ground. The second one hit the roof.
It kind of looked like it took a shit on the shed, y'all know.
Yeah, well, anyway, the shed was in good shape, but it wasn't in bad shape enough to do this. But now it is, since the tree fell on it. Because the limb that fell out up there, it stretched from here all the way over there.
Huh? Oh, yeah. Caddy,
You're gonna be on YouTube.
Caddy, you know if Isaiah was here, he'll be doing the same fucking thing. On up.
Yeah, we're doing this. We're putting this on YouTube.
Eric, you stop recording. Oh, and now you're recording. All you doing, run over a plastic ass pole?
This has got to be a fucking, excuse me, a redneck way of doing this.
That's good.
See, he
Tighten
got
her
it
up.
attached right there, so we're trying to bring that wall. Let me come out. We're trying to bring this wall down to
Go
tip
with
all
it.
that.
Where?
Yeah, your chain. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck. Like I said, we're amateurs.
No more burns.
If it don't come down after this, we're setting it on fire. Oh, fuck.
Give it a hand. Let's go. Give it a look through.
Jerk on it like you're
Jerk on like you're gonna jerk off. Some hot baby girl pickle. One more time and she coming down.
if he gives us a harder hit, yeah. Now this bitch is fighting us.
God damn it.
Rated R, Ricky. That ain't gonna work.
I tried it.
I believe if you hit on it really hard, you could, unless you're just.
Hit on it hard.
No, I mean him. You ain't gonna move shit. Oh, it's working.
One more time, just like that, my boy. She's coming. Well, let's go to it.
Oh, hell
Hold
yeah.
on.
Oh, yeah.
Try it one more time. We done got set over it now.
Come on, bitch, come down. I'm about to bleep some of this. Oh, shit, you're dragging the whole building. Go. Get a hit on it again. We're trying to move the shed. Oh my God. Yep.
They're trying to take the whole damn shed out.
Hey, that's a damn good Jeep. We're trying to move this shit.
I see you another problem.
Oh, look, I didn't know there was a wire there. That's probably what's holding us back.
Look at that damn thing on the back of the shed, white shed. Catching that concrete up there. The shelf,
Yeah.
catching the corner of that.
I believe if he hits on it one more time, this fucker's gonna come, or well, a couple more times, this sucker will come on down. Because what he's doing, he's dragging, and something should give, and
That's something. He's trying to fly.
I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing on this, even if I do. Gotta calm the cussing down though. They'll demonetize me.
Oh, yeah. I forgot who was cussing himself. I forgot. I don't know. Who was that?
Hey, like I said, we're just freaking amateurs at this, so
What is
yeah,
Outlaw?
we're having fun.
We're just trying to get out here and get the shed down. Tired of this shit. But you know something? You won't let me in that Jeep.
Hey, that's pretty good for a damn Jeep like that, a Jeep Wrangler like that, boy.
Let me go hook the Bronco up to it. So put them down like it ain't Jeep.
He thinks that Bronco would probably do it, because I know if it was Isaiah, he'd give it hell.
They got the wire out the way.
Let's
Yeah.
try again, sir.
You gonna do it, you want me to do it. It don't matter to me. It's up to you. You want to do
Hey,
it, it's
we're
your
not-
Jeep, you can do it.
Hey, we're not dragging the shed to Timbuktu. We're just trying to bring it down.
You said we're gonna drag that Louisville? Okay.
No,
Call the freight train.
we'll get stopped.
Uh-uh. Guess what? They try to stop us. We're just gonna hit the brake and let the damn shed fall.
Yeah.
It fall on it.
A long video of just trying to bring a damn shed down. Take
Hold on.
6.
Oh. With the train, pull up there, kind of get that on this one a little bit. I don't want it too close to that shed.
Yeah, he is getting a little close.
Yeah,
Y'all see we got a shed over there and he's getting close, because every time he yanks on this, it kind of jerks him that way. We don't want to be jerking him off that way.
yeah, we're trying to jerk off, you know.
Don't mind him.
I'm look
No,
crazy.
don't mind him. If you like this video, hit the like button.
Come on.
Or subscribe. Either one of those.
Back up a little bit.
I don't make very much of daily content like this, but
Alright.
yeah, there you go.
Huh? Tighten up. Go with it. Keep on going. Oh, yeah, hold on.
Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Jerk on.
Hold on. We got a short chain up.
Yeah. He's climbing up over there. See if y'all see, he's gonna be climbing up. That's kind of a incline, so we got to shorten the chain over there. What he's doing.
It's all yours. Do whatever you want to do with it.
All right.
You see a pull there. Hey.
We're not trying to pull the shed. We're trying to pull it down, but the shed is kind of saying, hell no, I am gonna stay.
Hold on.
Hell, why don't we just put wheels on it at this point?
What the hell don't we just do?
Said, why don't we just put wheels on it at this point, Bo?
It's up against that tree too.
Is it?
That's what probably got it.
Probably. Well,
Pulled it right into that tree.
hey, that's a good thing. To be honest, if you think about it, it should rip it on down. You were doing pretty good.
What?
We'll be right back. Sorry about my hand in the camera, but I'm still an amateur at this. Give me a break. Be right back. He's trying to play He-Man. Come on, He-Man. Okay.
Hey, damn, look at my hammer though. My damn hammer hanging on for dear life.
The shed's trying to hang on for dear fucking life. Let's try to pull on again.
Hold on. I might switch the chain around on this side.
What's that? Good luck. I never thought the shed was going to try to come out, you know. Rest in peace, shed.
It fell down.
One piece of it, yay. This is not working out as planned, I'm going to tell you that. If this freaking wall would give...
I fucking regret this, but it didn't go where I wanted it to go.
I'm glad you don't,
Fuck this shit.
I'm glad you don't play baseball, dude.
I used to. You know what? Fuck this shit. Go get the 12 gauge.
What the hell is holding us from coming on down? That wall's stronger than the other?
Tell you something. Might have to do it like this, Eric. Bring your chain around through here. My office get the water, that water line.
Or we could get one damn good jerk on it. And if that don't work, well,
You got a bar in there. Tire bar.
Hold on.
oh, I see that, yeah. Y'all see that?
Got the tire bar still laid up there.
But they we're going in, Ricky.
We couldn't get up there because it was all broken up and this was bowing down, so yeah.
Going in.
This isn't OSHA safe,
Well,
sir.
fuck OSHA. What the fuck I say? You pissed on OSHA.
Try it again or what?
Yeah, let's
Okay.
try it again. If it starts pulling it like it was, well, figure something else out different.
See what it says, OSHA. And it's pissing on
Now, let me see that again. Hey, OSHA.
Fuck you.
He's gonna have to jerk.
Come on.
Yeah. He
Upstairs.
pulls tight on that chain, your finger catches, you're gonna be a fingerless. He's gonna really have to hit on it. Or we shorten the chain up some more. Shorten up the chain some more.
Let me get back over.
No, you're fine where you're at. You're just gonna have to give it one hell of a jerk. If this don't work, we're gonna have to figure something else out. Or we'll put a hole in the corner over there. Like put a hole over there and try to pull it from there, but that's gonna be a long ways off.
What's up? I ain't no girl, but what's up? No, shit.
You ready?
Yeah,
Go.
Try to pull down the damn shed. Fucking up shit. Keep back up and give her hell.
Yeah, he's gonna have to do that. He's just gonna keep pulling if you don't jerk it hard enough.
One more time like that.
Yeah.
You should have went to the floor bone with that shit.
Yeah, I know it.
Let's adjust it up there.
It's coming.
It's coming. Keep on doing that.
Whoa, whoa, not that fast backwards.
Yeah.
Come on, boy. It's trying to come down.
It's something that's gonna come down one way or another.
Hell yeah. Come on, you bastard. Damn thing is not going to give, is it? We need to get one of the trucks over here.
Huh? I mean, if you want to, I could try to get the Bronco. Bronco might pull it.
We'll be right back, folks. I'm not good at editing, so I'm pausing this and I'm pausing it. I may edit this down a little bit, but to be honest, I'm not doing this on the computer. The editing, I'm doing it on my phone, so you have to forgive me if it's crappy.
Right.
But
Isaiah almost home. He's putting this away, and I'm using his truck. So I'm waiting till he gets here so he can do it.
okie doke.
Or if he fucks anything up, it'll be on him.
Or I can do it.
I mean, if you want to bring your truck back, come on.
Let's go.
If you
I'll
want to
be
bring that
right back.
Go that way.
We moved it a little bit. I got a good jerk on it. Tore this off. So they're gonna twike. What the hell? They're gonna hook on to that window frame right there because the shed is coming toward us. So what we're gonna do is go that way.
I know everybody get a bucket there.
All right, Cletus.
Motherfucker don't want to come down.
Doing your forward drop low or high?
Look at the thing.
Back on up.
Hold on.
Oh no.
Up! You okay?
Shit hurt like a bitch though. Go on, that's only how you get mad.
Take 2, or no, this is more than 2. Take
I
80.
gotta get my damn phone up for this one.
I'm gonna have to edit this like crazy.
That's the motherfucker called Big Bertha.
Yeah, it's gonna. Well, one ball.
That one wow.
What the hell? Just shed. Hey, me and Bo weakened it for you, okay?
Look at that big ass snake right there. Big ass snake, ain't it?
No, that's, I know what the hell that is.
Man, look like a damn snake though.
Yeah, it does, don't it? That's just the hose, ain't it? Yeah.
No, I just bumped it with the tire. It ain't crushed nothing.
No, it didn't crush. I watched him.
How's this damn wall still standing? I'm curious.
I'm curious, man. Motherfucker took a shit on it. That's one.
Oh, fuck. I think if we pushed on it, it may fall down. Now, how are we gonna bring this down? I think we might could push it down, as long as there's nothing in front of us, or on top where. Oh yeah, there it goes, timber. Whoa, whoa!
Look at the Big Bertha, champ.
Don't know about that. Hey,
I can't lie, but I can't lie.
a Jeep jerked on it, and then the truck jerked on it. It weakened it a little bit. Now, if you would have done it with that truck, but you just pulled that down. But again, that probably would have been, that would have done it though. Well,
You got right there.
that's not necessarily
Isaiah's gonna need some.
that's not necessarily how you tear a building down. But
Isaiah's gonna need something for infection. He's got a nail in his foot.
yeah. Thanks for watching, folks. If you like this video, hit the like button. I'll try to do more content. Probably not like this, but if you want to see more content like this or any other content, comment down below. So thanks for watching. If you want to, subscribe. See y'all later.